Hi, this is Angie from Steele Family Farm, maker and owner of our goat milk soap business. We made magnesium body butter last night, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about why we started making it. Everybody wants to say hello first. Anyways, my mom suffers from chronic arthritis and fibromyalgia, and she was on all types of pain medicine and for many years, and nothing really did the trick. And so I started researching natural things to do and found that magnesium is a natural pain reliever. So I came up with a recipe. It took a lot of tries to get it just right. And we use magnesium, goat milk, cocoa butter, shea butter, peppermint essential oil, and lavender essential oil. And if you use it twice a day, every day, for especially chronic pain, then we say, most people tell us within a couple of weeks they feel so much better. You can also use it if you're an athlete. You can use it when it hurts, kind of like you would use some of the name brand things that you rub on. But anyways, that's why we started making it, and it's really made a world of difference, and it's honestly one of our top selling products. So I hope you love it and give it a try. Have a great day. This is the life, I'm telling you.